Okay, so this is Sierra, and she's gonna climb a tree.
And then you're climbing after me.
No.
Yeah. See, Maria, you can do this.
Are you serious?
Ta-da! This is as high as I go. This was easy.
It's gonna break.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Why are you shaking?
Because I'm cold. I'm cold.
I don't know how to get down.
You don't know? Hold it.
I'm not holding it. I can't hold it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm next. How do you do this?
Put your feet.
No, I can't do this.
Yes, you can.
This way?
Go on that one so you can jump easier.
No, I can't do this.
Maria, you're doing it. What?
Are you serious? This is hard.
You can do it. Just bring your feet over.
No. Okay, I'm done.
You got that far. Maria. What?
Okay.
See? You did it. You look like you're gonna have a heart attack. We'll do those. Those are easy.
Yeah. It's cold.
You gotta get down.
How?
I don't know. You're the one. I told you to bring your leg over. You have to bring your leg over to get off.
I can't do this. That's it. I'm just staying like that.
This is Maria.
Oh, look at pictures.
Uh-huh. And you're supposed to be part of that family.
Don't move.
Are you just gonna sit up here all day?
I can't get down.
What do you have to go to the bathroom?
I'll just pee in my pants.
You're gonna pee in your pants.
Yeah.
Then your pants gonna turn colors. It'll look like dark, dark, dark light. It's so cute.
I can't do this.
Doo-doo. You're not moving. You're like. I have to jump from here, so you have a short jump. This isn't even that long.
That's not even short. I'm gonna kill myself. Yes. I can't do this.
Climb the way you came up. Go the way down you came up.
Stop. Why are you making fun of me? And then what?
Keep going.
That's easy. You make me laugh. I want to go over there now. Are they done?
Yeah.
Walking through trees and hills. How did wow. Okay, let's get our stuff.
It's still recording.
Look at the awesome park is upside down too.
Oh. The Hello Kitty party.
Hello Kitty.
Which one?
Okay, Maria, do this.
No!
No. You're gonna walk up back.
I'm gonna kill myself. I believe in you. I did the first one.
There. That's how far.
Yeah. Oh, come on. You're not gonna die.
Yes, I am. All the way to the top.
No. To right here. Maria, come on.
How am I supposed to get all the way up there?
Hands and knees.
Sierra,
What?
I'm gonna fall.
You look like a lizard. You're just like,
What's up?
That's fine. You made it. Now jump off.
Oh.
So you're as tall as me. Swing your legs around. I don't think I got that though. Isn't that hurt your vagina?
What?
Doesn't that hurt your vagina? It looks like it.
Okay, I did it.
Yay!
You're next.
Okay.
People are laughing at us.
They're not even looking at us. It's hard.
Hands and knees or my butt. You should have just done this. No, you had to go. Okay, it's getting a hill. She's pretty. She looks pregnant.
She does?
Look at her. She thinks she's got a baby bump.
All the way up here.
I cannot go all the way up here.
Yes, you can.
How do you expect me to do that thing like this?
Okay, all the way up here.
No.
Yeah.
I cannot go all the way up there.
Why not?
Because I'm on my butt.
It's easy.
This is high as I can go. Or like go straight up. Made it.
Keep going.
Can't keep going. You can't like do that. If I go like that, I'm gonna go like that. Let's find another tree. That tree over there looks good.
Over there?
Yeah, I can do that one.
Okay. Say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Bye, camera.